Hi. All right, we're going to do a little bit of a time activity today. I recorded this once and didn't like the way it turned out, so we'll try it again. Time, preschoolers, is something we kind of talk about, but it's kind of one of those things that's hard to understand. So usually we talk about time. For us, we might say seconds or minutes. I know we talk about 5 more minutes when it comes to cleanup time, and so it's just seconds, kind of like a math problem. The seconds add up to make minutes, and the minutes add up to make hours, and our hours add up to make days, and then weeks and months. So we mostly talk about minutes and hours. Our preschool day was 3 hours long. Some days it seemed really long, some days it went really, really fast. But for today, we are going to be talking about seconds, which is, time gets smaller, but we're just going to talk about seconds because they're pretty fast. I don't know if any of you have ever seen the show Minute to Win It. I think it's on Netflix, or it used to be. It's a show where you have 1 minute to do activities, and a minute seems like a long time. Like if your mom or dad say, just a minute you can have a cookie, just a minute you can have ice cream or dessert, it takes forever. But really, it's 60 seconds. So if you can count up to 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 60, that is 1 minute. We're not going to do up to 60 because that would be a long time for you to watch me do something, and that would be super boring, and I try not to make these videos super boring. But I'm going to try and do 10 seconds. Now, I was very excited because I found this timer. Oh, it's ticking at me. But it's a minute timer, so it means I would have to do this activity for a minute, and I want to show you a couple different ones, so I don't want to make this video 20 minutes long. So I can't use this timer. Hopefully you have a better timer at home. So I'm going to use the clock that you can't see it, but on this video that tells me how long I've been talking, and I'm going to use this to time me. So we're going to use 10 seconds, which goes really fast. And I'm going to do 4 different things. I'm going to try and write as many tally marks as I can, which is just lines down. I'm going to try and write as many circles as I can. I'm going to try and write my name as many times, which Ehrenberg is really long, so that's not fair. And then I'm going to try and stack coins and see how many coins I can stack at once. Now, when you do this, when you do your 10 seconds, if you get 10 circles, start 10 seconds again and see if you can get a few more circles, okay? So we're going to be working on time, some writing, some counting. So it's another one of these activities that covers a lot of things. Okay, flipping the camera. All right, got my paper, got my pen. I'm going to start with the tally marks. Ooh, in just a second. 9, go, 1, 2. Ooh, okay, ding, ding, ding. Whoa, my tally marks kind of got crazy. So then we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, now I'm going to do circles. In 5, 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Whew, 25. I counted as I was drawing. Okay, now the tricky one. I gotta get ready. 2, 1, go. Whoops. Oh, such messy handwriting. Ah! I didn't even finish. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, the last one I'm going to do is stacking some coins. Okay, I'm going to wait. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Oh, that was kind of a fail. I only got 4. All right, so now you can see my stacking coins didn't go very well. So if I set my timer again for 10 seconds, I would try and do better. I do not think I can write my name more than 3 times in 10 seconds. If 10 seconds is too short, do maybe 30 seconds, which is half of a minute. Or do a whole minute if you want, if you have something a little harder, like maybe 1 minute to stack as many Legos as you can, 1 minute to write your name, 1 minute to color a picture. Use your imagination. 1 minute to run up and down your driveway as many times as you can, or run across your backyard. Maybe the backyard's a better idea. Driveway could be dangerous. Yeah, so use your imagination. Try and be creative for things that you could do in 10 seconds or 30 seconds or a minute. Yeah, so it's not a very extensive lesson on time, but just kind of